Hey guys, I'm here just to film a quick eyebrow tutorial for you. As you can see, mine are a bit crazy looking right now, but it's okay, we're gonna fix it. Mine is really simple, nothing hard, especially easy for those that are beginners to eyebrows and just want something to just, you know, make your face pop, because I do feel that eyebrows are the way to just, you know, make your face pop if you're not trying to do a whole lot, you know, wear foundations and a whole gang of makeup. So yeah, let's get ready to it. All right, so first I'm gonna take my spoolie here and just comb these suckers out because they are a bit of a mess. I'm actually trying to grow them out because I feel like, especially like right here, that they could be, you know, they're not, I rather it be grown in like this. So that's what I'm working on. Is it gonna happen? I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, yeah, we just want to comb these out really good, you know, make sure, you know, they're all going the same direction. I typically like to go up, and then once we get about here, just make it go down a little bit, if that makes sense. All right, now we're gonna fill them in. I use the cream gel brow by Cabral, well, the by Benefit, sorry, number 4. So just looks like this. I can tell, use it all the time. I have my mirror over here so I can make sure, you know, I'm doing what I'm doing, because I am, again, I know you've heard the saying, brows are like sisters, they're not twins, because this one is the one that always seems to be just right, but this one, she fights me, and I think it's honestly because this one is, I have an easier time making the arch because it's grown in up here, but this one, as you see, she kind of just kind of stop. So anyway, let's get into this. I'm trying to make sure that you all can see me as well as I see what I'm doing, because what's the whole point of this tutorial or me showing you all what I'm doing if you can't see? So this is, you know, new for me, trying to get adjusted to this whole YouTube filming thing, because I do my makeup every day and I'm just like, why don't I film these things, you know? Because these are what people want to see. Okay, anyway, here we go. Let's see. So that's why I'm looking back and forth, because I'm just trying to make sure that you all can see what I'm doing. So I just start here at the base and I kind of outline it first to get the shape that I want. Again, I'm pressing very lightly, like I don't want to be heavy, because you don't want, you know how you see people sometimes they have like them really harsh looking eyebrows, like that is not what we want. We want like a natural look, you know, nothing wrong with that, you know, to each his own. What's your preference? My preference is just, you know, subtle eyebrow that pops, you know, looks very natural. Alright, and once we got the shape, then I start to draw them in or fill them in. How I do that is I use very little strokes. I don't dip into this too often because this is really dark, and again, I want mine to look very natural. So let's start. Let's see. So you see in the beginning, I do very small strokes going upward to kind of make it seem, you know, again, natural is key here. That's what we want to do. And then once we get here in the center, I'm trying to go to the side a bit. And then we're just filling in. And with this one, I have to go a little bit further because, like I said, this part, you know, I kind of want it to be drawn in. Now, right now, it's not going to be perfect. We just want to get pretty much the shape of what we want, or at least fill them in so there are no sparse places. You know, you don't want it to be like super light over here and dark on the inner. So we're just filling it in to our liking, and then we will go in with our concealer, foundation, whatever your preference is, and really create that shape of the eyebrow that we're trying to go for. So that's pretty much it. Okay. Then I'm going to take, I'm taking the, what is this? This is the Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in Cafe number 30. This is actually just very close to my skin tone. I put this on the bottom and I do a concealer on top. Me personally, I'm not really going for that highlighted eyebrow effect. So at the bottom, I just want to be more close to my skin tone. So, did I say that right way or is it backwards? Anyway, I'm going to put this on both the top and the bottom because I'm not sure if I'm actually going to wear foundation today, which is what I typically do because I don't wear foundation every single day. So that's what I'm going to do here. Now I'm just going to take an angle brush. This is just some regular, I think this is like an e.l.f. brush if you can see it. Yeah, it's just a regular e.l.f. angle brush. Like it's rubbed off so I don't even know like what number it is or anything. But it's just a regular angle brush. And I'm just going to dip a bit up there. Not a whole lot as you see. Not a whole lot. We just, oh no. I got it on my shirt, guys. Daggone it. This always happens to me every time. Sorry. Every time I'm trying to do something. Well, I guess this shirt did not want to be worn today. Let me pull up my sleeves. Okay, back to what we were doing. So right now what I'm doing is just really going under and making that shape that I want. This is how I have to kind of overemphasize the arch, like I said, because I don't feel like I have one, or maybe it's just been tweezed away. I'm not really sure. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay, see how we cleaned it up under there? We're gonna do the very same thing on the top. Again, not a lot of product. Excuse this tape. This thing has gone through a lot, and this is like my favorite brush. I've tried to use the one on the end of this Benefit brush, but you know, faithful. You know, I need to get me another one though. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. Just really creating that shape of what I want. Like I said, I don't want anything too dramatic. I'm not going out or anything. But I say that, but then again, at the same rate, my eyebrow shape is pretty much the same. I really do. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna clean it up. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna come back and let you see what my eyebrows look like. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've done the other one. As you can see, this is what we have going on here. Don't get too close so it doesn't look crazy. Like I said, I'm not really concerned about the hairs, you know, that are not in place because like I said, I am trying to grow them out. So the only thing I'm going to do to finish up here is put some of this brow gel up there to kind of keep them in place. Like I said, my eyebrow routine is just how I'm feeling that day. I'm still in the process of perfecting it, but I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I had this up for you guys, you know, so that you can see my process of how I'm doing it, you know. We're learning together. And with this, like I said, just doing the same thing, same way that I combed them out before. Just combing them up and then kind of to the side. I don't put a lot because with this gel, like, it tends to take some of the product away. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of my eyebrow routine. Please leave any comments or anything down below. If there's anything else that you want to see from me, please leave that down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead, be a part of this family. Let's learn and do this thing together. Also hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video from me. Until next time, bye guys.